I got some ice cream and I wanted to make my own homemade whipped cream. So I got some heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna make whipped cream. I don't have powdered sugar, so I'm gonna use this sugar. I'm gonna throw some sugar in here. Just a little bit to grind up. I think that's gonna be it for now. It's a good consistency. It's not super grainy. I can definitely see the difference in the two. I have been freezing this bowl for a few hours. So what we're gonna do is pour the whipping cream in here and mix it for a little bit. I feel like the bowl is not really deep enough, but we're gonna try it. Yeah, maybe we'll do it in the sink, just in case it goes everywhere. Kind of starting to form the peak. So good. I probably could have, oh, so close. I probably could have mixed it for a little bit longer, but yeah, this tastes so good. I could just eat it like this. Mm.